Yo, who that a pull up in the ladder there? You know who that? A Batman that when he now wearing black tights. Boy, Batman, what go on? Wear skin suit, black tights there.
You know say me a Batman. I wear skin suit, purple tights there.
Dog, what your voice sound so?
These eyes stuck up in my throat from last week.
Blood clot, Batman, Superman. How do now wearing the tights today?
Gangsta now wear tights, youth. I take me take.
You can go try free Kartel again, cause me have a new security for you now, to puff your chest.
3 weeks later.
Lex Luthor, I choose you put up a new security guard at Kartel prison?
Yes, and you can go tell your two man them, big forehead gal. Let out the new security.
Jesus Christ, Ali!
Dog, you see that?
Wow, I wear the mama ras that. Dog, are you alone for go fight that? No me a mama ras. Dog, I'm scared.
Try shoot him with a bat gun.
Like a bossy face. Kaka fat. Dog, you see that? Me bad gun battery done.
Don't worry yourself, dog. I got this.
Laser eye.
You know, look like you're working, huh? Here we are. I got my planet.
Dog, how you gone? Get rid of you. Kiss me ass, me dead now.
Me wonder if Douglas sit here think he can come kill off me man them.
The house a gun down. The house a gun down. ZABZ.